So, good day everyone. Today, we will discuss the DC power supply system, which is a vital part of our studies as ECE students. So, most of our electronic components like integrated circuits and transistors need a steady direct current to work without a noise. So, this system converts the alternating current from a outlet into a clean DC voltage using a specific sequence first, a transformer adjusts the voltage, then a rectifier converts it to a pulses, and a filter smooths it out. And finally, a voltage regulator keeps it fixed. So ato apa, kani nga system ang make sure nga limpyo ug stable ang kuryente nga mosulod sa ato nga mga gadgets. So the simplest way to start this conversation is through the half-wave rectifier. So it uses just a single diode to allow only a one half of the AC cycle to pass through the load. So during the positive half cycle, the diode is a forward bias and acts like a closed switch. But during the negative half cycle, it becomes reverse biased and acts as an open circuit. So kalahian niya kay tunga ra sa signal ang iyang gamiton. So mao nang tawagon ni siya og half cycle. So mathematically, the average DC voltage is equal to 0.318 VM. So in ECE, we use this for mga simple mga battery charges or mga signal demodulation in AM radios. So next, we have the most common configuration in modern electronics, which we call the full wave bridge rectifier. So unlike sa half wave, this utilizes both the positive and the negative halves of the AC cycle. So it uses four diodes arranged in a bridge. So duha ka diodes conduct during the positive half and duha pud ang gahandle sa negative half. So mas efficient ni siya kay walay usik nga cycle, and it also produces double the output of a half rectifier. So with DC of kwan voltage which is 0.636 VM. So this is the kwan kanang standard you see in laptop adapters, mga phone chargers, and also sa mga communication base stations. Now, we also have the full wave center trap rectifier. So another way to achieve full wave rectification is by using center tapped rectifier. So this version only needs two diodes, but it requires a specialized center tap transformer. So the transformer's secondary winding is split into two halves, creating two signals that are 180 degrees out of phase. So one diode conducts for the first half and the second diode takes over the next half. So nindot na siya gamiton kung kinahanglan ta og balance sa kanang power like in high fidelity audio equipment or dual polarity power supplies for op amps. So however, take note na nga each diode must be strong enough to withstand twice the peak full voltage. So in summary, choosing the right rectifier depends on the application's efficiency and hardware needs. So whether it's a simple single diode circuit or a complex bridge configuration. So these circuits are the backbone of how we power our world.